hands. Clap your hands for our God and for the visitors. Welcome others that we don't see here. But we know that they are here. We would like to welcome our friends from United States of America who gave them every day. They give, they support. They contribute so that the projectors be found. They contribute for those who come from United for America to come in Africa. All the people who are supporting us in this work, we welcome them even they are not here. We know that they are here even they are not seen by our eyes. Let us tell these who came here, tell them that we thank them so much. We thank them so much. Let us clap for them in our hands. For this school, we can tell much more things that we can't finish. The things that they brought for us, the miracles which are done, shown in this province, there are many from these studies that we have been given. The time is small, but if it was long, we could tell everyone to testimony what he has been met in this school. If we do that, we can take 2 weeks without finishing. There are many things. We studied helping our families. We studied for raising the cattle. We studied for planning our economy. We study how we can treat our animals when they are sick. We have learned many much things from this school without putting away the God's word. That is why this school is different from other schools that we know. We know other schools of theology in this area. We studied about the word, about Matthew and other who wrote the Bible. But we did not study about the life in general. That is another thing which is different from the other schools that we know. I would like to tell those who are not studying now, come to study veterinary. You study for nothing. We study for nothing because the money that we pay is low. When you see what we receive from the studies, let us stop here, because I know that when you live here, we go in other area. It's the reason why I have to take a small time to thank you and to welcome you. Still feel free that you are in here and welcome you again. Our visitors from abroad, sit free, feel you are free, you are home. I know that our climate in our country be good for you. We continue to pray for you so that God push away the diseases. When you will be back in your country, and that they are peaceful, and do you tell what you have seen in our country? It was that we welcome with you and thanking you. And we say, may God bless you. And may God bless you again. Clap our hands for our God. We want to continue. Like our program is nation to nation. Let's call the representative of nation to nation so that he arrives here. So that he opened a basket that he brought for us. So we clap for him and welcome him.
Good morning to you all. It's absolutely wonderful to be in Burundi. My name is Dr. Dwight Bennett, and I'm the Director of Schools for Harvest Preparation Schools of Ministry. Nation to nation. And no, Harvest Preparation Schools of Ministry. We began 5 years ago, and we're just so excited that every place across this great nation, we are doing many graduations. So I would like to begin this ceremony this morning, and by the authority vested in me from the Board of Trustees of the Harvest Preparation Schools of Ministry and the Board of Trustees of Nation to Nation Christian University, I hereby declare that this is an official graduation of the university. Hallelujah. And upon the recommendation of myself as the school director and the faculty of Nation to Nation Christian University, and by the authority of both of those boards, we will be issuing your degrees that you have worked so hard to receive. So if we could at this time, can we have our team come forward so that we can begin to issue our degrees? Amen. Amen. Let's move this out of the way. Can we move this over here? And who's going to give the instructions? Is Elijah? Okay.
uwo duhera ko yitwa umushingantahe Bonaventure Haringanje.
Menshi dukomera amashimana ya
umuryango wiwe abamuherekeje bace bahaguruka ubunyene bazi namba bahari. Inyuma yiwe ni Denis bacanamo amashi menshi uri ngaha waje kumushigikira tugisoma izina ry'umuntu cubanguka Aimable Sibomana n'abamuherekeje babe baritegura amashi menshi kwa Aimable Sibomana.
Stop for just a minute. Thank you very much. Now, I want the microphone. If a family member is going to come to get a picture, you need to be ready and come at the same time. Don't wait behind.
Nimurindire abo mu miryango mwacanga inshuti zaje kwifatanya nabo bakivuga izina ry'umuntu namwe muce muhaguruka ukaza kwifatanya nawe. Aimable Sibomana Aimable Simeo Bunani amashi menshi ubunyene muryango wategezwa kuba wasitse ngaha cyangwa inshuti ziwe cyangwa abagenzi. Leoni mwateze muce muguma mu kibanza mugumeyo ati aheze Leo abari kumwe na Leoni tukimusoma izina mwategezwa kuba mwaje Joseph Minani n'umuryango wiwe.
Okay, muraza gufata yandi mafoto mu nyuma nta ngorane turiko tubikora mu bangutsi kugira ngo bikunde duce tubandanya no mu Kirundo. Nico gituma turiko turasaba ngo ucunyaruka namba wifuza gufata agafoto nabo kandi amashime
Diane Ineza n'abamuherekeje bashike ngaha. Diane Ineza inyuma yiwe ni Godeliev Mbanze Ndore.
Banguka kumashimeshi yemwe amashimeshi
umushinga nahe Daniel Kozenzi n'abamuherekeje bariko baregera muce muguma honyene umuryango wawe dugushikire. Jean-Claude Ndayizeye abaherekeje Jean-Claude Ndayizeye yaza kuba bashingaha.
Jean-Claude
Leoni Nimbon Wairo iyi niyo bakoso ijya waronse niyo bakoso amashi menshi kwa Leoni.
And I thank you for the churches that they pastor or attend. Father, I pray that you lead them to a major work in your kingdom. That they would do something that's never been done before in this nation. That you would inspire them to dream big. Learn much. Love much. So Father, let your blessings come upon them. Let your face shine upon them. Let the light of your love lead them every day of their lives. Father, bring provision to each of them. For the great things that you'll have them to do. Enlarge their faith so that they can do these great things for you. Let your grace follow them. And I pray that every place in which their foot shall tread,
that
you would give it unto them. So let them smile this day and enjoy all they've accomplished this day. God bless you in the name of Jesus, the one and only King of the world. And all of God's people said, Amen. Hallelujah. Let's give these graduates another round of applause. Thank you.
This is a TV channel called Iwachu, and they visited you as you were giving the certificates and the diplomas. They were here with us.
Thank you very much for being here, because when the school gets this kind of exposure, many more people can find out how good it is.
Turabashimiye kuba mwaje kwifatanya natwe kubera ishuri rimenyekanye nkuku rigaca no kumbonera kure abantu baca babona ivyiza biri muri iri shuri.
Our organization, Harvest Preparation International,
twebwe igikorwa cacu ministere yacu Harvest Preparation Schools of Ministry,
we have been training leaders around the world for over 35 years.
Tumaze imyaka 35 irenga twigisha kandi dufasha abarongozi b'amashengero hirya no hino kw'isi.
And in that time we've trained over 100,000 leaders in many nations.
Kandi tumaze kwigisha abarongozi barenga ibihumbi 100 hirya no hino kw'isi mu bihugu bitandukanye.
We came to Burundi in 2017.
Twatanga ibikorwa vyacu mu Burundi mu 2017
because we met a very passionate man in Kenya.
Kuko twarahuye n'umuntu afise inyota y'Imana twahuriye nawe muri Kenya.
When we were training people on how to do our local Bible colleges.
Twariko twigisha abantu ico gihe muri Kenya ukungene botegura izi nyigisho zacu z'ishuri ryacu rya Bibiliya.
This man, like many here in Burundi, spent time in refugee camps in Tanzania.
Uwo mugabo twahuye nawe nk'abandi benshi bari kumwe nawe bo mu Burundi yamaze igihe kinini ari impunzi muri Tanzania.
He had the opportunity to leave that camp and go to America and other places.
Yarashoboye kuronka uburyo bwinshi bwari gushobora kumujana muri Amerika cyangwa ibindi bibanza bitandukanye byo hanze mu makungu.
But God told him to stay because he had something that needed to be done in the nation of Burundi.
Muga Imana ubwayo niyo yamubwiye yuko atogenda kubera hari igikorwa yari mufitiye mu gihugu cy'u Burundi.
When he returned from Tanzania, he realized that there was no Bible training in the language of Kirundi for these great men.
Igihe yaza avuye muri Tanzania ashitse mu Burundi niho yabona yuko inyigisho zari zihari z'amashuri ya Bibiliya nta na zimwe zari mu Kirundi.
But God had a miracle in store for this nation.
Mugabo Imana yari ifise ikibanza cayo n'igitangaza yabikiye igihugu cy'u Burundi.
We formed a team here in this nation who were able to not only translate the written word but translate the audios onto the videos.
Twarashoboye gutegura umugwi ngaha mu gihugu cy'u Burundi kiretse gusa ko washoboye gukora amanote mu Kirundi warashoboye no gukora amavideo n'amaaudio yose bayashira mu kirimi cy'Ikirundi.
And after 3 very challenging years,
haheze imyaka 3 itari yoroshe na gato,
we have 15 semesters of this school translated into Kirundi.
Tumaze guhindura ibice birenga 15 vyose vyavuye mu Congereza bishigwa mu Kirundi.
And today, like many other places in Burundi,
kandi uno musa haturi nkuko biriko biraba mu bindi bibanza vyinshi mu Burundi,
we're graduating students as they move to the next level.
Turiko turatanga impamya bushobozi kandi nabo biteguye no kwiga n'ibindi vyigwa biri imbere.
Right now we have 165 schools here.
Ubu dufise amashuri 165 ngaha mu Burundi.
With over 5,000 students in this nation.
Dufise abanyeshuri barenga 5,000 muri iki gihugu.
And the truth is,
kandi ukuri nuko
there are so many more people that are excited to be a part of this.
Nuko ari abantu baryoherewe cyane kuba bariga ibi vyigwa.
And our heart is this.
Kandi umutima wacu nuyu.
We want every student who wants to be a part of this school to be able to attend.
Dushaka yuko umuntu wese ashaka kwiga iri shuri azaronka karyo nawe nyene ko kwiga.
Many people in America have donated a substantial amount of money for this project.
Hari abantu benshi muri Amerika batanze uburyo bwabo bwinshi kugira ngo iki gikorwa gikogwe.
Well over $100,000 have been poured into this nation.
Amadolari arenga 100,000 aramaze gushigwa muri iki gikorwa.
And what makes our school special is this.
Kandi gituma ishuri ryacu riba ishuri ryiza cyane ngiki.
In many African nations, in order to get a Bible college, you have to go very far away to get it.
Mu bindi bihugu vyinshi muri Afrika igushaka kwiga ishuri rya Bibiliya bigusaba kuja hanze kugira ngo uronke izo nyigisho ushaka.
But with the help of a video projector and a hard drive,
ariko twifatanije dukoresheje ama disque dire n'ama projecteur
that we supply for free to the school.
Kandi ivyo vyose muvyumve ko tubitanga kwa gusa.
All of our lessons are on the hard drive.
Kuko ivyigwa vyacu vyose tubishira kuri disque dire.
And the students join together in the no matter where they are, they can have a school in this nation.
Abanyeshuri bagiye hamwe bagakora umugwi ntaco bitwaye aho bari mu Burundi barashobora kuronka ibivyigwa.
I'm not exactly sure, but I believe right now we've had 2,000 people graduate with either a diploma or bachelor's degree.
Ubu honye ni incuro twaje dufise abantu 2,000 bazoronka diplome zabo canke ama license yabo.
And we are so thankful to be in partnership with the United Christians in Evangelism in Ngozi.
Twatewe iteka kwifatanya hamwe na UC ishirahamwe rukristo rikorera Ngozi.
Pastor Isaiah and his incredible team have worked extremely hard to do great things in this nation.
Umukozi w'Imana Isayi hamwe n'umugwi bakorana baritanga mu buryo budasanzwe kugira ngo ibikorwa bibandanye.
And we have a network of regional directors and facilitators in each and every province of this nation.
Turafise abaserukizi bacu mu karere kose no mu ntara yose igize iki gihugu.
And I know that Pastor Isaiah has hundreds of requests for schools to be brought to their areas.
No munsi ndabizi neza yuko Pastor Isayi afise n'ayandi mashuri arenga 100 ariko aramusaba kugira ngo bazane izi nyigisho kuri bo.
When we left America a couple weeks ago,
igihe twava muri Amerika heze indwi nkeya,
we had 50 more projectors.
Twari twaje tuzanye ayandi ma projecteur 50
and 55 hard drives with us.
Dufise n'ama disque dire 55.
And this coming Thursday and Friday in Gitega,
kandi uwa kane n'uwa gatanu wiyindi nyene igitega,
I'll be training close to 100 more facilitators.
Zoba ndiko nigisha abandi bafasha nyigisho bashika hafi jana.
I would say the average school in Burundi has anywhere from 30 to 100 people.
Kuko ishuri dushize hagati na hagati ishuri ryose mu Burundi rifise abanyeshuri bari hagati ya 30 na 50.
So probably in the next 6 months we're going to add another close to 2,000 students.
Bishoboka yuko mu mezi 6 ari imbere tuzoba twaronse abandi banyeshuri 2,000.
I don't know if there's many other universities in Burundi that have 7 to 10,000 people, but we're not going to stop there.
Sinzi yuko bari ayandi makaminuza mu Burundi ashikana abanyeshuri bari hagati y'5,000 ku 10,000 muga twebwe ntituraheza turacabandanya.
But what is happening here is not about us.
Ariko mu vyumve ibiriko biraba ngaha anye ntivyerekeye twebwe.
The testimonies that that are coming out of this school are hard to believe.
Kuko intahe ziriko zirava muri iri shuri ni intahe zikomeye cyane bigoye no kwizera ko ari izo.
A whole section of this school is dedicated to community development.
Kuko igice kinini cy'iri shuri n'ivyigwa by'iri shuri birigisha guteza imbere ikibano.
We have many experts from around the world who are teaching people how to grow effective crops, how to raise farm animals, how to have clean water.
Turafise abahinga babinonosoye muri ibi vyigwa vyacu bigisha abantu ingene bateza imbere ikibano, ingene borora neza, ingene barima neza, ingene bonwa amazi asukuye.
We know that there is a high rate of infant mortality in Burundi.
Turazi yuko hari abana bapfa benshi ngaha mu gihugu cy'u Burundi.
And we have a class that teaches women how to have a successful pregnancy.
Muri ibi vyigwa turafise ishuri ryigisha abadamu ingene bibungenga neza no kungene bavyara neza.
We have many different classes that talk about nutritional things and stuff that make people's lives better.
Turafise ivyigwa vyigisha abantu ingene bafungura neza no kungene bobaho ubuzima bwabo neza.
Because of what our students are learning, many of them are starting businesses that are changing their communities.
Kubera abanyeshuri bacu ivyo bariko bariga bariko barahindura ikibano cabo bariko barahindura n'ubuzima bwabo.
You're welcome.
Gilbert